If you know how to read this chart, you can get a pretty good idea of what country it belongs to. You see, this is a population pyramid, a chart that shows what percentage of a country's population falls into each age group and gender. And knowing why certain countries end up with certain shapes is where it gets interesting. I mean, take the United States. Just by looking at its pyramid, you can tell that the population across age groups is relatively stable, with a fairly even balance between men and women. And that's a pretty common pattern in most developed countries. On the other hand, developing countries often have high fertility rates, which causes their population pyramids to look like actual pyramids. Pretty much everywhere in Africa, you'll see pyramids where the width increases as age decreases. That's everywhere, except North Africa, which is generally considered to be more developed, and thus has pyramids that resemble those of nearby European countries. But wait, what is this little divot in Algeria's pyramid? Well, as it turns out, these pyramids can depict history too. About 30 years ago, Algeria underwent a devastating civil war that temporarily lowered fertility rates, resulting in a noticeably smaller generation decades later. There's a few other examples of dips in charts based on a nation's war-torn past. Over in the Middle East, you can see a different kind of history. You see, to build their massive city